Hello everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how to order a custom list. The first thing you want to make sure is that you're on the Order Custom List tab here on the left. This should be red. So there's 9 simple steps needed for ordering a custom list, and I'm going to walk through each of them with you. So for step 1, you're going to see 2 options, use credits and one-time purchase. These allow you to either use your credits, which are the 10 you get monthly for free to purchase a list, or purchase a one-time list that's available once per month without credits. So let's go ahead and click use credits. For step 2, this is where you can say whether you want to add mobile numbers to your custom list, but this is only available for paid plans. Something to remember though is that all lists will include office phones, personal LinkedIns, and emails, but only paid users can add the option of including mobile numbers. Since there's nothing we can do here, let's go ahead and click next. Now for step 3, we will need to choose how many credits we want to use. I currently have 10 credits, as you can see here, so I can only use a maximum of 10 credits. So I'm going to go and keep this at 10. What this means is that I want my custom list to have a maximum of 10 contacts, as you can see on the right hand side over here. So for this list I'm ordering, we're going to cap the number of contacts to 10, and if we get anything less than that, we're going to refund you with the remaining credits. If I had, for example, 50 credits, then I would be able to increase this number to 50. So now let's go ahead and click next. For step 4, this is where you can tell us your target location. You can either choose the entire US, or one or more states, one or more counties, or one or more cities. For example, I can choose by state, say Alabama and Florida, for example. Or I can choose by county, and I can say Orange County, California, for example, as well as Kings County in New York. Or I can choose by cities, and I can say Los Angeles, California, Austin, Texas, and Nashville, Tennessee. But for this list, I'm just going to go ahead and choose by state, and I'm going to say the state of New York. And now I'm going to go ahead and click next. For step 5, this is where you tell us the industries you want us to target. So you can either choose all industries, and what this means is that we're going to include every and any industry in your requested locations, or you can type in specific industries, and I'm going to type in some industries. I want to target food manufacturing, accounting, and hotels. So make sure that these are comma separated. And now I'm going to click next. So in step 6, you can tell us the maximum number of contacts you want us to include for each company. If you want to target several decision makers at a company, you can choose 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. If you want to keep it limited to 1 at a company, you can choose that as well. I'm going to go ahead and choose 2. Remember though that 1 credit is equal to 1 verified contact. Now let's click next. So for step 7, you can tell us the annual revenue range of the companies you want us to target. This step is completely optional, and if you don't select anything, then we're going to choose companies with any annual revenue. So I'm going to go ahead and not choose anything. In step 8, you can tell us any additional comments that you want us to know to give us some more context. For example, you can say, do not include company Y, or you can say include only owners and founders, for example. But for this list, I'm just going to go ahead and not write anything. And now I'm going to click next. So in this last step, you can review everything to make sure that it all looks correct. So let's see here. 10 verified contacts is correct, 10 credits is correct, no mobile numbers, location is correct, industries are correct, revenue, max emails are all correct. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and click submit order and then confirm order. So now we can go over to the My List tab, and here we can see our recent orders. This is the list we just ordered. So once your order is fulfilled from our side, you're going to see it show up in this section down here. The date it will be completed on will depend on your plan. So for the free plan, for 10 credits, 10 credit orders is 24 hours. For orders of larger than 10 credits is 7 business days or less. For the starter plan, it's 5 business days or less. And for the pro plan, it's 3 business days or less. And that's all you have to do. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and thank you for watching.